everyone, I'm Sino. Thank you for visiting my channel. I'm making pizza today. This pizza is nothing special, but super easy budget pizza. I make this dough on the weekend and store in the fridge for the busy weekday. Now let's see the ingredients. All-purpose flour, baker's yeast, sugar, salt, and water. Here are the tools. Let's make the dough first. This is a quarter cup. Then pour 3/4 cups of water. 1, 2, and 3. Then 2 pinches of baker's yeast. It is about 1/4 teaspoon. If you want your dough to rise quickly, you can add some more, probably up to 1 teaspoon. Then add some sugar. This sugar is not for me, but it's for the yeast. Just a half teaspoon would be enough to feed the yeast. If you prefer sweeter dough, you can increase it to 1 teaspoon. Then stir a little bit with a wooden spoon. Wake up the yeast. Then now add some flour. When you scale flour with a cup, don't press in. Just scoop and shake off the excess flour like this. One cup. And you need 1 more cup. Scoop up and shake, shake, shake. 2 cups of flour in total. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the salt into the flour and mix the flour with the water underneath. I'm gonna fast forward the video now. Mix well like this so that the water and the flour combine well. You might feel there is not enough water at this point, but wait a little bit. The dough will be eventually smooth. Okay, now use your spatula to scrape off some bits from the wooden spoon and the surface of the bowl too. Then combine all the flour in with your hands. Knead until the flour and water come together. You know, this dough is such a time saver too. I keep about 2 portions of this dough in my fridge and use one for pizza, and it makes quick snack if you bake in an electric waffle maker. I will show you how to do so in another video sometime. And then flatten like this. Spread a little bit. At this point, the dough doesn't need to look as smooth as bread dough. While resting in the fridge, it is going to be nice and smooth. Okay, the dough is done now. Let's put it in a bag. Just make sure to keep the bag open slightly so that the dough can breathe. Okay, spread to round a little more. Then now the dough is ready to rest in a fridge. I usually make the dough on the weekend, and then during the week, whenever I feel like making pizza, I roll out the dough and spread sauce and bake in the oven. The dough lasts for a week in my fridge. Now let's make a pizza sauce from the leftover pasta sauce. Just pour into a frying pan and reduce into the consistency of pizza sauce. Pizza sauce is thicker than pasta sauce. Evaporate over low heat like this. Yes, this is a budget pizza, so you don't need to buy proper pizza sauce. You can use just leftover pasta sauce. Okay, pasta sauce became pizza sauce now. Alright, let's set the oven. Here, this dough has been resting in my fridge for about 4 days. You can keep the dough in the fridge for 1 day to a week. I make the dough on Sunday, then keep it in the fridge, then bake pizza whenever my family wants pizza during the week. Okay, spread some flour onto the baking pan. Take out the dough from the bag. Now you see the dough is smooth and stretchy. Okay, stretch out the dough. I'm not very good at stretching out the dough. I saw some videos stretching out the dough in the air, like with the fingers, but I cannot do that. I wish I could do. If you know any good way, please let me know. Just stretching out like this. When the dough is cold, it's hard to stretch out, so you can keep it in room temperature before stretching out. I think this is good enough for me. Nice and smooth. A little more, stretch out. Okay, here you go. Now let's spread the sauce I just made from the leftover pasta sauce. Of course, I use proper pizza sauce when I have one, or when I'm making serious pizza, but this is just a budget pizza for no occasion, so I use the leftover pasta sauce. And add some toppings, as you like. Today I have some olives, so I add the olives. And I also have some minced garlic left, so I'm gonna add some garlic too. Just a little bit. Then some cheese. This cheese is for tacos, not for pizza, but I use it anyway. Actually, anything from the fridge is okay to top on. Then I'm gonna place some tomato on my side because my son does not really like tomato on pizza. Good thing about this budget pizza is that you can experiment any toppings. Try anything. Okay, now my oven is ready. Let's slide it into the oven. Then bake for about 10 minutes. Right, voila, it's done. Here's easy pizza for your hungry tummy. Let's eat. いただきます。Right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my channel. See you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.